Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to refresh your homepage on a TikTok application so you can get the new content pop up on your page. So the first thing you have to do, you just need to open your TikTok application and log in into your TikTok account. And after that, sometimes if you want to scrolling down until you scrolling deep into the TikTok account, and whenever you are in the bottom part and you start to be bored, you can refresh your page by just click at this home page button. There will be two ways. So the first way is you just need to go click this home button in this down side on this left corner, and after that your TikTok system will be refreshing the content for you, so the newest content will be pop up. But then the second way is just by slide your screen into downside until there will be appear informations about drag down to refresh, and then you just need to take your hands off, and the TikTok system will also refreshing the content for you, and the newest content will be pop up on your screen. So that's the way how to refresh your TikTok homepage. Hopefully the tutorial is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video tutorial, and see you.